Well, let's continue getting you the pictures that are now coming in as far as anti-Bangladesh protests and protests for the rights of the Hindu minorities in Bangladesh that could be witnessed in several parts of the country. And it seems that the voices are being raised for justice even in West Bengal. The demonstrators that is being led by the VHP and the Bajrang Dal to denounce alleged atrocities against Hindus and the vandalism of the religious places in Bangladesh, where we are looking at the pictures that are now coming in from Jammu, from the national capital, and also now from West Bengal. Let's put out the pictures that are now coming in from West Bengal. Pooja is connected with us right now. Pooja, if you can quickly describe to us the pictures that are now coming in. The justice glamour has been growing for Bangladeshi Hindus.
When the anti-Bangladesh protests have now intensified in parts of West Bengal, just yesterday we saw how the leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, had staged a protest right outside the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission. And today we're seeing the party supporters of VHP, other Hindu organizations and Bangya Jagran Manch have all taken out a rally from Shialda and have reached the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission and are currently protesting outside the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission. They are asking for justice for Dipu Chandra Das and also other Hindus who are coming under attack in Bangladesh at this point in time.
Who are behind these protests? Who are holding these protests in West Bengal, Pooja?
Several organizations who have participated in today's protest, the Bangya Jagran Manch and also VHP and Bajrang Dal supporters have assembled outside the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission at this point in time, and later on during the day there are other protests also that have been lined up which will be carried out outside the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission in Kolkata.
All right, if you can tell us as far as the pictures that have also been coming in from West Bengal, where exactly are these protests that have been taking place? Because the pictures are pretty dramatic that are coming in from Delhi, that are coming in from Jammu, and that are now coming in from West Bengal itself, because this issue itself, Pooja, currently is very sensitive, especially in the poll-bound state of Bengal.
Absolutely, extremely sensitive, because there are some BJP leaders who are also linking some instances in West Bengal to what is happening in Bangladesh at this point in time. However, Trinamool Congress is ruling out allegations of Hindus not being safe in West Bengal. But talking about the pictures here, this is the organization Bangya Jagran Manch, and the party supporters have now taken out a rally from Shialda and have reached the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission. The visuals are coming in from the area outside the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission, and one such youth has suffered an injury, and you can see others are trying to provide water to him, but there was a scuffle that took place, and after that one youth was left injured. But clearly these protests clearly have intensified in parts of West Bengal. It could be Kolkata, it could be Siliguri, because we've seen after there was a protest in Siliguri, the visa center of Bangladesh in Siliguri has also been shut down.
Yes.
So clearly the anti-Bangladesh protests have now intensified in various parts of West Bengal.
Well, barricades are being broken, effigies that are being burned, slogans that are now being chanted, all of them that are now raising justice for Bangladeshi Hindus there. And this clamor seems to be growing across pan-India protests that can be seen in those pictures. Pooja, thank you very much. Let's put out when it comes to the multi-city pictures that have been coming in. Protests that are being held across India against the lynching of a Hindu man, Dipu Chandra, in Dhaka. Right from Delhi to Jammu to Kolkata to Hyderabad, people are coming out from different parts of the country, have now hit the streets demanding justice. The protests are over the killing of Dipu Chandra, as he was allegedly tied to a tree and he was burnt, triggering nationwide outrage, and there has been continuous calls for accountability. The massive protest that erupted outside the Bangladesh High Commission in Delhi, that was led by the members of the right-wing groups, including Vishwa Hindu Parishad and also other organizations, including Bajrang Dal, where hundreds of demonstrators who gathered, and the police struggled for a bit to contain the crowd as the barricades were toppled. Slogans that were raised against Bangladeshi government, and banners and placards that were also displayed. Protesters also burned effigies, clashed with the police, demanding justice over the lynching of Dipu Chandra, while slogans like Bangladeshi Bharat Chodo were heard at the site.
here are the visuals right on your screen. See, now we're at the second barricading that had been set up. Lots of people who have stepped on top of the barricade as well. It's fallen currently and protesters have stood up upon it. There were police officials who were trying to push back all the protesters so that the entire event here could be carried out in a quieter fashion. It's supposed to be a solidarity, a turn-up of solidarity, a turn-up of outrage, yes. But the Delhi police and the paramilitary forces are also trying to ensure that the protesters are restricted to this very barricade as well. On your screens also, multiple posters over there as well of how there will be how Indians and Hindus in India will not tolerate any atrocity that is meted out in Bangladesh. These are the banners that people are also carrying. We'll also get you a word in, but there are more, in fact, people coming here. There's also a lot of chaos here with the barricades as well. Protesters are trying to remove the barricades to a safer distance. The barricade completely undone by the protesters here. They're trying to move it so that other people do not get hurt, and that the way towards the High Commission is cleared as well. Remember, 6 to 7 layers of barricades have been set up by the Delhi police, by the paramilitary forces, in order to create a safe distance between the protesters as well as the Bangladesh High Commission.
ये बैरिकेड क्रॉस नहीं करा, ये कार्यकर्ताओं में, हिंदू युवाओं में, हिंदुओं के अंदर एक आक्रोश है। वो आक्रोश कहीं ना कहीं तो फूटेगा। ये लोग बांग्लादेश नहीं जा सकते, पर जो लोग बांग्लादेश जा सकते हैं, हिफाजत कर सकते हैं सरहदों की, हिंदुओं की, उनके लिए ये शोर है कि कम से कम तुम तो जाग जाओ, तुम तो हिंदुओं की रक्षा कर लो। इसलिए ये प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है।
Well, Jago Hindu or the Hindu awakening protests that were also seen at this site there. But a political row has also erupted over the Congress MP Digvijay Singh's remarks on the violence in Bangladesh. Amid a spate of anti-Hindu attacks in Bangladesh, Digvijay Singh is of the opinion that the situation is similar to communalism witnessed in here in India, claiming that similar kind of extremists operate in both countries. The Congress leader also pointed out to the elements spreading religious propaganda in Bangladesh, triggering a sharp reaction and controversy back home.
बांग्लादेश में जब से इस प्रकार का जो आंदोलन होकर सरकार बदली है, वहाँ वो सारे तत्व हैं जो कि धार्मिक उन्माद फैलाकर राजनीति करते हैं, जिनका विरोध शेख हसीना करती थी, जिनका विरोध शेख मुजीब साहब ने किया था। ये जो हालात हमारे देश में हैं, यहाँ वही धर्मांध फैलाने वाले कट्टरपंथी ताकतें जो हैं, जिस प्रकार से अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय के खिलाफ जो कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं, वही रिएक्शन वहां पर उस प्रकार का हो रहा है।
Well, Digvijay Singh is of the opinion that communal elements target minorities in India as well, and the same reaction is being witnessed in Bangladesh. Remember, ever since we have seen the kind of disturbances and unrest that has been witnessed in India's neighboring countries. Now, as far as the voice of warning or such kind of threats or provocation that could be heard from the opposition leaders back home, saying that the similar situation could also arise in India. But in the meantime, as far as the developments are concerned,